Hey guys, ITD here. So our topic for today is how we bring back the Windows Photo Viewer. Not that so slow, right? Okay, so I'll show you how. Okay, so if you can open with there's no Windows Photo Viewer, right? Okay, so now create a text document. Okay, you can name it whatever you want. I already put the registry code in the description on this video, so you can download it or you can copy it and paste it. Okay, so you must need this to save as registry. Save as. Okay, and should be that reg photo viewer that reg, and then you choose save as type all files, save it. Okay, there the registry file. Okay, and then put it here, right click, and then merge. You can merge that or double click it, then click yes, yes again. All right, and then okay. Okay, let's now try it. It's open. Okay, no Windows Photo Viewer, so choose another app. More apps. Okay, more apps. I'll just have to, oh, I can't. Okay, more apps. There you go, Windows Photo Viewer, right there. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.